Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to just do a little bit of a home reset and a life reset to prepare myself for the upcoming work and school week. So something I always start my day off with is my green juice and vitamins, my morning vitamins, the ones that I can take without eating. I'm not a fan of this green juice, so I don't recommend it, but I paid for it, so I am going to drink it up. It's very, very good. Like, it has a lot of great things in it, but the taste is just not for me. And then I just took my multivitamin, and now I'm adding a little Truvia into my coffee. I just drink my coffee black with one Truvia packet. I am making my daughter breakfast right now before I start doing my own things. So this is the day out of the week where I will go ahead and order groceries for a grocery pickup. So I'm doing that right on the app on my phone, and I just kind of check to see what we have through our pantry and our fridge, freezer, if there is anything that I need to restock in like our staples. And then also I will grab my planner out and go ahead on my computer and look for new meals for the upcoming week. I usually like to try 1 to 2 new meals each week, and I just look on Pinterest. It's free and it's easy, and there's a lot of people with great ideas, and I'll try them, and if it's something that I really like, I'll keep making it. And then sometimes I'll try them and I'll kind of change it up a little bit and make it our own if I didn't like it exactly the way that they had it, and just kind of have fun with it. But that's what I'm doing here before we dive deep into my routine. So now I'm going to go ahead and turn on my robotic vacuum. I like to do this so I don't have to sit and vacuum the house. I do still vacuum the house. I don't use this all the time. It really is convenient when I'm trying to multitask and get other things done. So now that I'm done doing a quick clean in my bedroom and just kind of refreshing it, I go ahead and throw a load of laundry in, and today I needed to wash my cleaning towels. So I have been loving this new book. This is How You Heal. It is such a great transforming book. I have not wanted to put it down, so I try to read it as much as I can when I just have a few minutes, and I've been making it a point in the morning to at least read a few pages before I really start my day. This is something that really spoke out to me that I wanted to share with you guys, and I will also link this book down below because it's really good and I do recommend it. So before we continue with the video, I do want to let you guys know that I have teamed up with Top Cash Back. I have worked with them several times over the years and used their services for a long time. If you don't know what Top Cash Back is, it is a free cashback and voucher website. So they help you save money on purchases through thousands of merchants online and in store. So all you have to do is sign up, which is completely free. You would download their extension, so you're able to use their extension to find stores that you want to shop at. They have over 7,000 retailers on topcashback.com. They're partnered with retailers such as the Container Store, Walmart, Grove Collaborative, Hobby Lobby, and so much more. and you get 10% cash back. So if you spend $10 somewhere, you'll get $1 back, which is really nice, especially during these times where we are purchasing school supplies and school clothes. So this is a perfect time to earn money back while you shop. There is no minimum payout, which is a plus. They do offer 100% of the commission back to members, and because of this, they're able to consistently feature higher rates than other competitors. So check out my description box and follow the link over to Top Cashback so you can sign up and earn $10 cash back when you spend $25 anywhere on the site. I belong to you. And now we are going to jump back into the routine, and that is the part where I do my workout, because most days out of the week I like to get some sort of workout in, and I found these free workouts right on YouTube that you don't need any equipment, and you can just move your body, get a good sweat, get your steps in, and just help yourself feel good inside and out.
Take me to your heart. I belong to you. Take me to your soul.
So now that I'm done doing the dishes, I'm going to go ahead and go in my refrigerator and do a quick clean and just throw out any items that need to be thrown away before I put new groceries in.
You think you know me? Say I'm as cold-hearted as they come. You think I'm slowly cutting my ties with you, that I'm done. Here's what you don't know. Feelings, they grow slow. I've just been caring for mine. Now I can feel it. Now I believe it. Baby, tonight is the night. I'm gonna call you up in the name of love. Gonna call you up and tell you that I'm not giving up. In the name of love, I'm not
So now that I finished putting the groceries away, we're gonna go ahead and fold these loads of laundry. So that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Comment down below and say hi so I know that you were here. Also, if you're new, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. I do post these home Sunday resets often. They are some of my favorite videos to make, along with cleaning and organizing motivation. So if you're into all that stuff, please hit the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to check out Top Cash Back. I have their link down below, and I will see all of you guys in the next one. Bye, you guys.